アメリカ人は腹式呼吸、日本人は胸式呼吸で英語を発音しています。日本人のできない腹式呼吸を日本人がやってみたらアメリカ人の発音になるでしょうか。1分音読テーマは2026年6月3日水曜日は何の日かです。Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026 is not a national holiday in Japan, but it is associated with several notable observances and events. One of the best-known commemorative days is Surveying Day, which recognizes the importance of surveying and geographic information in national development. June 3rd is also observed as Unzen Fugendake Prayer Day, commemorating the victims of the devastating eruption and pyroclastic flows of Mount Unzen in 1991. In addition, the date coincides with World Bicycle Day, promoting cycling as an environmentally friendly means of transportation. Weather is expected to be major topic across Japan on June 3rd. Tropical storm Typhoon number 6 Shanmi is forecast to move northeastward along Japan's Pacific side, bringing heavy rain, strong winds, rough seas, and possible transportation disruption from Kyushu to Kanto region, including the Tokyo area. Authorities have advised residents and travelers to monitor weather updates carefully. As for events, early June marks the beginning of Japan's summer festival season. Preparations and related activities for famous June festivals such as the Sanno Matsuri in Tokyo and the Yosakoi Sora Matsuri in Hokkaido are underway during the period, although some outdoor programs may be affected by the approaching storm. Overall, June 3rd, 2026 is a day remembered for commemoration, disaster awareness, environmental initiatives, and close attention to Typhoon Shanmi's impact on Japan. 日本人とアメリカ人の発音の違いは腹筋を使うかどうかです。発音記号、口の形、喉の動きではありません。I host a free online English pronunciation event once a month featuring abdominal breathing. 腹式呼吸英語発音でした。チャンネル登録と高評価をお願いします。